Our students, today we are going to discuss a case study on microwave controls. So microwave has been a very common electronic equipment that we are using in our day-to-day life. During the beginning it doesn't find much wider market in industry. Later during the time period it has brought a dramatic change in cooking field. So it is one of the inevitable device that has been used in our kitchen as well as in industry heating purpose and all. So we have to carefully know the controls that we are using in microwave in order to effectively use this device. So this device is not a harmful one. We need not be worried much about the controls over that, but still we need to take certain precautions. We need to know very clearly how should we control the device, how should we manage or control the device. So in this case study we will briefly look into all the effective controls, the internal diagram, the block diagram of microwave controls. Let's go deeply into the case study. Students, as I said in the beginning, microwave oven, which is also called as an electrical oven or just microwave device, is an electrical oven that heats and cooks food by exposing in the electromagnetic radiation that is in microwave frequency range. This induces polar molecules in the food to rotate and produce thermal energy, and that process itself is called as dielectric heating. So microwave oven, what is the advantage of microwave oven, or why microwave oven get this much popularity in a very short period of time, is because it heats food very quickly, very efficiently, because excitation is fairly uniform in the outlet, about 25 to 38 millimeter, that is in the range of about 1 to 1.5 inches of a homogeneous high water content food item. So at the beginning, it was not that much acceptable to people, because there has been rumors that food exposed to micro radiation could cause cancer. But later, during the time period, all the myths got failed, and it is one of the inevitable part. So it has found its own market, and it is an inevitable part now. So the advantage of microwave is that microwaves are compact and can be more easily it can be adjusted. That is, a combination of ovens are deeper and offer higher than. So it can cook quicker and more economical. So in terms of power consumption, in terms of fuel consumption, it is very effective. Micro oven is very effective. So it requires less liquid for the cooking process. That is also very important. We are living in an era of water scarcity. We need to preserve water. So micro ovens requires less food for cooking purpose. The plastic containers itself can be used inside a microwave because the plastic not conduct heat. So cooking only commences when the timer is set, and which means that less risk of food being burned or fumes when unattended. We can set the timer for this, how much time we need to cook the food item. That is the main important control, the first control that we talks when we have to look into when we talks of microwave device. So microwave doors. Most microwaves has left door opening. Left side, they have left hand opening doors. A few have drop down doors, but it is very rarely available in market. It is not much available then. The combination of ovens also have both drop down doors, etc. When we talk of microwave controls, microwave tend to have either a dial control or touch sensitive control, or both type of control. So dial control has been outdated right now. Touch sensitive controls has started evolving the market. It finds much popularity in market. So dial control, when talk of dial control, microwaves with dial control, also called as analogous microwave dials, with one dial for time and other for power. This was the initial I should say this was the initial type of device that was being found there. Uh, if you have difficulty in seeing the set of dial controls, that will be a major problem over there. So to tackle all these issues, so to tackle when the dial controls being repeatedly used, the switch could have been damaged. So those are the typical issues that will happen when we go for an analog device, and this results in a touch control device, which finds much market in the recent times. So microwaves with touch controls have a flat control panel. This panel is used to control the settings. It has various controls with different tones with the tactile dots and marking could be placed on buttons. So it is very much popular. So recently there is a new variety of market called as talking microwaves. Talking microwaves gives audible speech chosen such as power setting and cooking time that found much market. It is not much available in India, but it could be much popular in the recent times, it seems. So a control switch for a microwave oven is disclosed when functions is disclosed which functions to automatically control the running time of the microwave generator in order to enable it to run continuously during its cooking cycle or during the defrosting cycle. The control switch includes mainly a timer control switch that operatively coupled to a timer motor. The timer control switch functions to control the current flow from the source of the electrical power to the microwave generator. This circuit also includes a defrost control switch, which functions to cyclically open and close a series of current paths to the microwave generator, as you can see in this circuit diagram. A bypass circuit is also provided across the defrost control switch to short circuit the defrost switch and to provide a bypass current path to the microwave generator. A cook defrost switch is provided to connect the circuit to the bypass circuit for the cooking mode or to disconnect the bypass circuit to enable the current path to be governed by the defrost control switch for the defrosting mode. The defrost control switch is coupled to the second timer motor circuit by the cook defrost switch. In a second embodiment, the defrost control switch is coupled to the first timer motor and continuously being operated. So normally in the cooking cycle, the cook defrost switch 43. I think the switch number is 43. In the second position, enable current to pass through the bypass circuit to energize the timer motor and the microwave generating cycle. The current continues to be fed. This current continues to feed the microwave generating cycle. The control of a microwave oven is relatively simple and does not present any challenge to the designer, to be frank. We have chosen it to show the usage of real-time database. We call it as RTBD objects. The RTBD objects are of various type and may realize some control functions too. A correct usage of these functions simplifies the state machine. Okay, the what you are seeing right now is the state diagram. The first approach of a simplest state diagram that has been commonly used in microwave, the state transition diagram for a simple solution over here. The basic requirements are being depicted over here. The simple solution has some weak points, of course. Microwave are manufactured in different flavors with slight different controls depending upon the customer's requirement. Thus, we cannot analyze all possible variables we see on the market. For purpose of our case study, we will consider this diagram. the timer usage are not perfect, namely the control system always start even if the timeout value is set to 0. To reset the system for the next start, we have to open and then close the door. So this depends upon the type of microwave, depends upon the company. It varies from different cases to cases. If you do not like this, then you will be find the exercise of changing the design in a very educational manner, or in a very realistic manner, or realistic control. So this is the state diagram. As I said, there should be a run panel, there should be a run mode, there should be timer mode, there should be door sensors, there should be power lamp inside this. These are the common modes that we'll be seeing in the oven. The oven has a run push button to start, as well as an open and close sensor button. If it is open, then naturally it will inform the oven control that the door is open and it is not safe to cook purpose. So these are the common symbol. Next, when we talk about more realistic control, we will be moving into more realistic control. To achieve a more elaborate control, we can include more additional features in that. That will be swipe timeout non-zero mode, which together with DI run mode, that is actually in the back end, it will be using an logical and operation there, forms the condition for the transition from the state idle to cooking state. A switch point in the RTDB real-time database is a mechanism for testing any numerical value and producing a set of control values in the positive logic conversion employed by the state works to govern the possible transition. So these are the more realistic machine state diagram or state transitions that, as I said earlier. So commonly we employ names such as in permitted range, too high, too low. These are the common what user messages that we will be producing as a matter of control over there. So when you detailedly look into this state diagram, you can see first one initialized mode, then you can see second idle mode, then you can see whether it is cooking, if it is timer out, if cooking completed, then what happens, automatically the door will be open. So it forms a feedback loop over there, depends upon the condition. Similarly, if cooking is interrupted because of some other reasons, then again door will be opened. If not, door will be closed. So from this state transition diagram itself, you will be understanding a more realistic control approach that has been used for microwave. So these controls is commonly being employed, it will be employed in the modern microwave devices. More additional features such as I said earlier, speaking mode. If the microwave oven could recognize the audio of the user, and it could respond accordingly, whether to open the door or close the door or stop cooking or start cooking. Those controls has been input the audio. It is capable of recognizing the audio and responding, which make the device much more smarter and much more energetic. And when we talk about RTDB objects, you can see a more informative block diagram over there. So the RTBT consists of objects. These objects are of different types. That is, they have some different properties. Specifically, they have different values and control values as well as. A parameter object may have value or of type integer, or it can be a float, or it can be a string, etc. It may also have a control value, but we do not discuss it here because it is irrelevant in this case study. So the timer object value is its counter output, which represents the elapsed time from the timer start. The timer object compares continuously the counter output with the timeout value, in this case supplied by the parameter output, and defines the timer control value. If the timer is not started yet, the control value is reset. If the timer runs, the counter counts, sometimes pulses, the control value is in run mode. And if the counter output equals the timer output value in control value is over. So when you look detail into the block diagram, you will be understanding that it will be looking for the value from the timer knob. The value will be checked in the it is a value itself is a parameter, and it will be checked with the control for the control value. So the RTDB will look over the value, and it will be it will be giving the commands like to reset or to stop or to run or overstop or to whether it is timer out or like that. So this typically describes a very good block diagram of this. So in general, when we go for the summarizing section, we should understand that the controls has to be very carefully used, and it has been implemented such a way that it should not create confusion among the customers. So control may be complex at the designer's part, but it is made much more simpler, or the simplest to the ability of them, so that the user can make the controls, or user can control it without much confusion and errors. So microwave device has found these many markets because of its much more simplicity. As I said in the beginning of this case study, the controls varies from companies to companies. The control system, the control panel varies from system to system. Modern developments has raised in this microwave. New changes has been available. The shape, the model, everything has been changed. The door pattern has been changed. The outlook has been changed. So as time elapses, there will be great changes in microwave devices too. But it has become an inevitable device. Thank you.